Standings happening across the Premier Leagues. Let's see what the pros said. It's time for mic check.
All right, guys. Fighting!
Okay.
Fighting! Fighting!
Fighting!
I don't even remember how it goes now. Shit.
I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah, right.
In a Barbie world. It's fantastic.
Because it's plastic. Oh, Minion has no head. I think with head is
worse?
more cute.
Oh, cuter.
Of course.
Like you, Huni.
I'm stronger than Lee at this point.
I'm really weak this game, so I will
Clear, pink here.
back you.
Pink, just don't be negative, guys.
Yep.
They will level
I don't think they will level 2 Rex.
Deep breaths, man. We got this. We got this.
Yep. Yeah. How hard is it to learn like 20 words?
And
then you are in mic check.
Some point in my life, I knew this song.
Someone go bot. Someone go bot.
Yeah, go bot. One bot.
I don't want to go bot. I don't want to die.
Okay, me. Okay.
Woo! He's got the black cleaver.
Holy shit.
All right, nice job, guys. Nice job.
Let's kill some tanks.
Let's kill some tanks.
Oh my god, you
Keep
guys.
focus. We want to win.
There's a slow push bottom. There's a slow push bottom.
Perfect CS.
Oh, nice.
Life in plastic. It's fantastic.
Life in plastic.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Come.
We can go on them. Look here. I'm on Afro. Nice.
Oh my god. They're all really
Go
good.
back. I'm gonna push mid. I'm gonna push her. Good job, Lost. Good job. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we should. Don't fight.
I'm just gonna steal with.
It's fine. They're losing farm. They're losing farm. So far ahead anyway. You want me to go top or bot, Tony?
Maybe both is better.
Oh! Yeah.
Nice.
Shit. Really well played.
I play. They play down here.
Okay.
Oh my god, Phoenix! Holy shit!
What just happened?
Wait. Can we do back? Can we do back off that? Let's do back. Let's do back.
Oh my god.
Go back.
I gotta say, when I watched that play live, I yelled the loudest "holy f*** of my life. Guys, why'd you bleep that? I said holy fun, F-U-N, friendship and etc. Whatever. Anyhow, let's take a look back to last week's Twitter